So you got your new TreadWrights. Congratulations on your first or maybe your 10th set of TreadWright tires. You can see this is the final product of our innovative manufacturing process. Your next step will be heading out to get your new tires installed. We recommend you use independent local installers, as many franchises and large retailers will want you to give up these USA-made tires to buy their cheap Chinese import. They want more of your hard-earned money. There are 3 main tactics used by tire dealers. First, they will say the tires are illegal, which is just plain false, and no Department of Transportation laws in any state restrict the use of TreadWrights for any LT or SUV application. They may say the tires are delaminating at the bead, and they can't install them. The original sidewalls were never removed or replaced, so this is also false. Extra rubber is just flashed from the remolding process, as each rim guard has different sizes. You get variances in the amount of flash in different brands. Third, they may claim that TreadWright tires are patched. The tire tread is actually completely rebuilt and resurfaced, and in certain instances, you are only seeing a thermo repair on the inside liner of a TreadWright tire. If an installer is refusing to install a TreadWright tire, it is because they don't like you finding a better value with American-made products. Those guys are only trying to trick you into buying their tires at higher prices. The simple answer is always to let them know you are a smart, informed customer, and you won't be driven into cheap import tire lines. We hope that this has helped you feel confident that you have made the right choice with TreadWright tires.